Sure.
What is your purpose of life and business?
Okay. Well, first, thank you for having me on, and it's a pleasure to talk with you. So my purpose in the business sector is to really develop a company, something I can leave with my children, and hopefully with their children's children, and get them involved in different capacities, and also for the people that work with me as well. See what their future goals are, and see how we can incorporate that into Baked Cravings and expand that out as well. So that's my whole purpose, is to be able to pass something along to someone else.
Wow, that's super. Uh, Having said that, Craig, like you started the journey, and I think this is something you're passionate about. So, how do you see uh, your business in the next 5 years? What is your like that big vision that you have? Definitely, you have started it. That itself is a Herculean task because thinking about it easy, but starting it is difficult. You already completed that first step. So, where do you see Baked Cravings in the next 5 years?
Right now, I think we're in the process of really fine tuning our model, which is the way we want to go. We have retail stores. We have two locations in New York City, one in East Harlem and one in East Village. And then we also have an online business where we ship nationally as well. So we're in the process of developing our retail brick and mortar concept, I would say going to 2.0, and then also our online business where we're, going to redevelop our website, create new strategies, the technology that's available now, and the ability to deliver products locally within your area pretty fast it opens up a wider range for us. So we're essentially redeveloping that whole process right now. We're like looking at doing local deliveries in New Jersey on certain days, just because the technology allows a customer from a certain zip code to go place an order, and we can say, hey, we're going to deliver on this day to you at this time. And that's great, other than just saying, hey, we'll show up when we show up. So yeah.
What is that one piece of advice that you would like to give to someone in your family? Let's say someone from your friends who come up to you and ask you, "Hey, Craig, I want to launch a business. What's that one piece of advice that you would like to give to me?"
I would tell them, and I get them all the time. So I would say you have to be committed. If you ask, so I get people all the time ask me questions, and I give them the direction. Giving you the direction doesn't mean that I want to do it for you.
Hmm.
So it's kind of, I gave you the direction. If you started the process and you came back with the next question, I know that you actually started. But if you're literally waiting for someone to do it for you, then you probably are not serious. You got to put in the time. So when I started Baked Cravings, I had two partners. One was the baker, and one was actually like our sales technical guy. I was in accounting, so would be handling the books and some marketing. But so the baker, we separated, and my other partner, he was going through a divorce, so he no longer could participate. So basically, 4 months into this new business, where we put up all this money to open up a store, blah, blah, blah. We had some bakery experience and, the background. So I was pretty comfortable we can make it work. But my technology guy was no longer able to do the website. So, it's like, hey, here's the login to Shopify, Craig. Here's the password to Shopify.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I shot up some text messages, how you do this, how you do that.
Hmm.
But, I stayed up. There was, 3, 4 in the morning. You figure it out. And eventually, figuring it out between YouTube, between this and that, you just figure it out. And, so I would say if you're serious, you're going to have to really put the time in to learn it. And I don't know, maybe it could take you 10 hours, maybe it could take 2 hours. Depending on how things click within how you process things. But you gotta have to put time in. So that's the only advice I give people. I give you all the advice in the world, but doesn't mean I want to do it for you. So, that's it.
Excellent. That's a unique thing that you shared, right?
Yeah.
You have to do it on your own. Yes,
Yeah.
you'll get directions, but
It's
you
the
have to do
beautiful
it.
part. It's the
Yeah,
beautiful part of it. Yeah.
yeah.
Because
Because
once you go through it and you do it, it's like,
yeah,
when I figured out how to literally design my website the way I want it and make changes. Actually, I'm about to do a redesign actually, but just figuring it out because I had no clue. You know?
Yeah.
And
yes. So it's all about asking the right questions, and the more questions you ask, you get the answers. And always being inquisitive, curious, so that you can learn new things, adapt, and grow.